Hello everyone, so I'm outside and as you can see here, I think I found where the rust, one of the rust problems is, and I believe it's here along where the tracking is. Basically there's some rust on the inside and I need to put something to stop the water getting into this area here. So my solution to this problem, which I'm going to try and hopefully fix that, is to put some frame sealant into here, all along this edge here. Hopefully, and on the underside here, hopefully by doing that it will stop water coming in and rusting the inside. So I'll show you the inside rust. Hello guys, Aaron from the future here. I'm going to quickly go over what's happening in this video. So the footage that I thought I had, I don't have. So let me explain what happened. So I had previously coated with the red metal oxide rust priming paint, the rust preventative paint, on the areas where there was rust coming through. So I'm showing that to you in this video. That had already been done. Then I put this, then I'd obviously put this glazing sealant around where the sliding door rail is. That is to prevent the rust and hopefully fix the leaking issue and prevent any further damage. And also because it was going through to the metal, I thought, well, if I can get some of that red metal oxide paint on it and have this sealant on it, it'll prevent further sort of recurring sort of rust issues and water issues. So anyway, watch the video, take from it what you will, and enjoy it. Yeah, baby! Look at this. I used red metal oxide. No nonsense. There we go. You see the sealant's on now. All I need to do now is clean it off with a wet finger. And obviously remember that because this is where the van door starts in here. It doesn't just go there, it doesn't roll here, it rolls here in this channel here. So if I can get this sealed off, the idea is that on the other side the rust isn't going to come through. So let's see how it goes. It looks messy at the moment, but after it's finished it'll look like it's always been there. Et voila. And that's the job done. Such a difficult angle. There you go. You can see that it's been sealed all the way around the edges, all the way around as beautifully as I can in the gaps. You can see that right there. Same underneath. You can see here as well, on that side. The main area of concern there, here and here, all fixed and filled. That's it.